So this trade is still active and it's still moving very nicely. I'm not too concerned if it pulls back at all today, because here's the newest breaker structure. Price still hasn't pulled back. So if price does pull back down to here, then I'm not too concerned about it. I'm even happy to, like I said yesterday, trade off these POIs if we get an entry. And my trade is currently in break even. But yeah, when I'm in active trades, the daily analysis is going to be pretty straightforward, and there's not really going to be anything going on, because I do like to trade one trade at a time. But because we're in phase C, the continuation phase, I'm happy to take multiple trades within a trade only when my risk is off the trade. So I only get into new trades if the current phase, we're in phase C, and risk is off the trades. Like the first trade I take, the risk is off. So yeah, there's not really anything else to talk about. If people are watching and are probably asking why not here, why not trade from there, or why not trade from here, when there's multiple POIs and we're in a certain phase, so phase C, and there's multiple POIs, you don't want to trade at every single POI. You want to identify the best POI to trade from. So to eliminate POIs, the first thing I want to do is I'm only going to trade in the 50% or below. So those two POIs up there are above the 50%. So I don't want to trade there. Price could pull into there and continue up, but I'm not being greedy. I don't want to be greedy with my trades. I want to just trade off the one that's going to give you the best risk to reward, and that is these ones down here. So yeah, that's it for GER40 this morning, and we'll see how price moves today. There's also no news as well, so don't need to worry about anything interfering with price today.